how to transfer money with Ali Bank. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process step by step. So let's just get started without any delay. First of all, you can go to ali.com and log in into your online banking account, log into your Ali Bank account. And once you are logged in, you can find a section dedicated for transfer. So go to transfer and select the transfer tab from the main menu. And once you do so, you can click on bank transfers under the external transfer section. After you do so, you can click on the link other accounts option and fill out the required information such as the account type, routing number, and account number of the receiving bank. Just go ahead and enter it up. Go ahead and provide with the necessary details. After that, Ali Bank will make small trial deposits into other account to verify the ownership. You can just go ahead and do so and check your records for those deposits and enter the amount to complete the verification. And once you complete it, once verified, you can choose the Ali Bank account you want to transfer the funds from and the receiving bank account. Just go ahead and enter the amount, the frequency, which is one time or recurring, and the date of the transfer. And once you're okay with everything, at last you can review the transfer details and look out for submit your request option. And that way you can transfer your money with Ali Bank directly. So that's it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.